Hello. Psycho and Bunny. Oh, $18 and tender chicken.
The next day.
Hey, gabi na. Dito sa North BC. It's magsi-6. Medyo madilim na. Dito tayo. Yeah, so nagano tayo ng Blue Jays. And then yeah, as you can see my hat. Compliments of my brother Ken. So there's second inning. They're supposed to score. Late call. Somebody in the first base, and then supposed to be a walk, and then all of a sudden tinawagan ng strike. Tapos naging double play pa. Nadaya sila dun. Tapos naka-score na dapat. But yeah, it's I don't know, may umpire ang nag-control ng game eh, kung minsan kung sino mananalo eh, yung close game. So yan o, Blue Jays. I was in 93, 92 dumating kami sa Canada. So nung nanalo 92, nanalo din sila. But I think back to back nila 93, 92, 93. So ngayon ang defending champion is LA Dodgers. So pag nanalo ng LA Dodgers, back to back sila. So ngayon ano na ngayon, dihado atang Blue Jays. So yeah, hopefully they'll win, because we need a Canada feel good, something to feel good about Canada these days. Sa kung nangyayari sa tariffs, Ontario is getting hit with a lot of jobs lost, manufacturing ng car. Stellantis was bailed out, or they were given 15 billion, something like that, from the federal government, liberal government, ni Mark Carney. And then still they left Canada for the US. Hindi mo rin masisisi siguro ang mga companies, because there's lots of red tape, bureaucracy, just all talk, no action from the liberal government. They're just making everything, delaying everything sa mga what they do sometimes. Pag kami mga project, they'll go hire a consultant, and then that consultant makes delays too. So just red tape after red tape, no, bureaucracy. So there's no action going on. Yung pera nafi-filter hanggang sa naubos na to the smallest person. So yung say 1 billion budget, 500 million dun sa office na inopen, bureaucracy. Tapos yung 500 million syempre may cut pa dun yung mga CEO. Napunta lang 200 million siguro dun sa mismong project out of the 1 billion. Talagang na-filterize na hanggang sa wala nang natira sa mga talagang nagtatrabaho. Yun ang problema sa kumpanya din, federal government dito, no, sa Canada. Yeah, it's a good morning here in North BC. Look at the sunset, the orange horizon. Yeah. It's 8 o'clock, 7:55 to be exact. We're on our way to work. Ayos. Yan, di ang clouds. Usok yan galing sa mill. Yan, dito yung minasunog dyan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. galing sa Millian eh. May ano din ata dyan, petrochemical plant dito sa Prince George. Ayan o, mausok o. Ayan, carbon. Ito yung nasunog o. Ayan. Ayan. Yung pinakawalan na nasunog yung Crossroads Brewing. 2 days later nasunog naman to, or 2 days later after na pinakawalan yung arsonist sa Crossroads Brewing fire. Ayan. Ito yung First Avenue. Dire-diretsuhin yan punta ng Edmonton na. Ayan na ang dreaded snow days coming. First day of snow. Pero sabi sa ano forecast is ano lang is ulan lang. Pero yung ulan naging snow. Ayan. Sa 4 o'clock ng Tuesday, October 23, just to document the first snow day. Mas maaga ata ngayon ah. Ako, ano na yan, mapupuno na yan, no? So nag windstorm. Ayan, kaya yung mga sanga-sanga dyan na na tanggal dyan sa puno. Tapos may mga sa Upper College Heights may mga neighborhood na wala ng mga power, na siguro na nasira yung mga hanging wires, electric wires. So yun, inayos naman. Tapos dito naman okay naman, ano lang, lakas lang yung hangin. So yan, pinapainit ko lang yung mga sakyan para hindi ma-drain yung battery. Pero pagka gusto kong kunin yung battery para lagay ko sa tickler charger, yung para hindi mamatay yung battery, yung acid niya hindi matuyo, parang ganun. Ayan. Ayan, ang laki pala ng sunog doon, isa hanggang dito. Madaling araw yan ng Sunday, walang katao-tao dyan. Sunog o sinunog pala. So ayan, no, ang Canada ngayon binabaan na naman ng 0.25 basis points ang interest rate. So I think naging 4.25 na from 4.7 ata dati, tapos 4.75, so 4.5 na, if I'm not mistaken. So they're trying to encourage spending, no, para ma-stimulate ang economy. Dinadamihan nila ng mga tao para dumami yung mga taxpayers at yun nga, mag-stimulate ang spending. But the problem is there's no jobs coming in. Yung mga investors is running away to go down south sa US. Yung mga manufacturing jobs sa Ontario is nag-aalisan. Tapos what the Liberal government is trying to do is yung mga battery, mga EV, so baka magkaroon ng China deal about yung mga BYD electric vehicles, no. So pagka nangyari yon is magagalit si Trump. So why can't we be friends with Donald Trump, right? They're the biggest market, and beside that's our next door neighbor. So yun lang, hopefully magkaroon na ng stop itong kalokohan ng mga current Liberal government. So we'll just have to wait until Pierre Poilievre will win. So don't mean to be political, but yun yung nasa loob ko eh. So, alright. Go Jays, go! Friday is if they win, that's their World Series since 1992-93, back to back. Okay.